Safety in fast food restaurants is an important topic to discuss. Many injuries and illness result from hazards that could have been prevented with workers' situational awareness and by simply following procedures. Fast food restaurants may begin hiring inexperienced individuals at the age of 14. Since they have no prior work experience, they are not properly trained and they pose a threat to themselves, their coworkers, and also to paying customers. It is important to always have a clean workspace. In this kitchen of the KFC restaurant, fast food restaurants are not concerned with the cleanliness of their kitchen because they are more focused on speed and efficiency. Garbage and clutter on the floor can cause workers to slip, trip, and a serious injury may occur as a result. Workers in an unsanitary kitchen also can be hazardous to customers consuming the food. Germs and bacteria can make its way into the food. Wearing gloves while working in food is an important procedure to follow. Cooks often touch raw meat, chicken, and fish. Without changing their gloves, they can be cross-contaminating the food they serve to their customers. Also, gloves protect the worker from heat and grease that may come off freshly cooked food. Without wearing gloves, workers are more likely to have a burn-related injury. Wet floor signs are a vital procedure when mopping floors or simply when something has spilled. Without a sign, both workers and customers may be unaware that there is a hazard ahead. This can result in more injuries for workers and for customers. At McDonald's restaurants, workers are not required to wear gloves while making French fries. Lights shown in this image are very hot and could cause sunburn. Fry containers easily give workers cuts on their hands, resulting in pain from salt of the fries getting into the wounds. Workers should begin using gloves as a safety precaution when on the job. Common fryers used at fast food restaurants do not protect individuals from burns. Workers must be cautious to prevent hot oil from splashing onto themselves and onto the floor. Oil can make the floor slippery and workers can start to fall. Since working at a fast food restaurant is a part-time job, most workers do not get sick days or paid days off. Some workers cannot afford calling out of work, so instead they show up sick. This is hazardous because they can spread germs to themselves, customers, and other employees. Without using the procedures in place to prevent injury, illness, and ensure safety, individuals can hurt themselves or others. My semester project focused on safety in fast food restaurants. This is a topic that is very important to me because I've been working in fast food since I was 14. Currently, I work at McDonald's in Lake Mary, Florida. Using this video, I wanted to make people more aware of hazards and injuries that may occur within the fast food restaurant. Worker injury and illness have decreased from 10.9 in 1970 to 3 per people per 100 workers. With this public service announcement, I hope to bring awareness to this topic and decrease the incidences of injury even further. Safety prevention efforts are vital within this career because injuries are so common. Engineering is most successful in injury prevention approach because it changes the technology we use to ensure that we are safer. In food safety, fryers can be modified to have splash guards and vents. This will reduce temperatures within the building, preventing overheating and also prevent workers from getting burned by the hot oil. Enforcement is an individual behavior change approach. Safety-related laws make individuals perform their job in a safer manner. This includes putting a floor safety sign out when mopping the floor to inform workers and patrons that the floor is slippery. This is also used when requiring different age limits on certain jobs. Education is used when training new employees. When I first started at McDonald's, I had to attend mandatory 5-hour training sessions. Economic incentives can be used in the workplace by providing a promotion or increased pay to workers who follow the mandatory safety guidelines. When all of these prevention methods fail, emergency response vehicles will respond to the location in the event of an injury. More information on this topic can be found on the CDC, OSHA, and BLS websites. Thank you everyone for watching this, and remember, when coworkers are acting in unsafe manner, always mention prevention.